Hello, I am Ryan, and this is Royal Podcast. Now we begin. You are here today. That is enough. If you are listening now, maybe you just woke up. Your eyes feel heavy. Your body feels slow. The morning is quiet. The mind is calm. This is a good moment. The morning helps a lot. Now we move on. In the morning, there is no pressure. No one is waiting. No one is watching. Just you, a quiet room. The light comes slowly. Not strong, not loud. This moment works well for English. So if you are here now, listening quietly, remember this. You are in the right place. This is not a lesson. This is not a class. This is not a test. There is no pressure, no stress. You do not need to be fast. You do not need to be perfect. This podcast is like a walk. We walk together, slowly. Sometimes you listen. Sometimes you repeat. Sometimes you rest. That is okay. Now we move on. Today we talk about your morning routine. Simple actions. Everyday actions. Let us talk about mornings. Mornings are quiet. No messages yet, no questions, no rush. The world feels slow. The day has not started. I drink my coffee slowly. I hold the cup. It feels warm. Now we move on. The mind feels clear, one thing at a time. In the morning, the brain is relaxed. The body is waking up. There is no hurry yet, no decisions to make. English works well here. Not when you are tired, not when you are stressed. Now we move on. When life feels simple, language feels simple too. Morning routines are simple. You wake up. You wash your face. You brush your teeth. Small actions, easy actions. Now we move on. English should feel the same. Not a subject, not homework, just part of life. Today, we do not use big words. We do not explain grammar. We say what already happens in your morning. These are your actions. These are your moments. Now we move on. English becomes familiar, slowly, naturally. Now let us talk about practice. First, just listen. Do not worry about the words yet. Just listen. You see, it is easy. Let the words pass by. Let them flow like a river. Now we move on. You do not need to understand everything. Really. Listening is enough for now. The second time you listen, maybe repeat a little. Choose a few sentences. Not all of them. No, that is too much. If you repeat only 3 sentences today, wow, that is a big win. That is enough. Now we move on. Comfort matters more than being perfect. Trust me, perfection is boring. Remember, you are the boss here. You are in control. You can pause anytime. You can stop. Go have a coffee and come back later. Listen in the car, on a walk, or even before you sleep. Returning is the secret. A little bit every day. That is how you become a champion. I am happy you are doing this. Okay, let us begin together. Listen first. Take your time. We will go slowly. I wake up early. I wake up early. I open my eyes slowly. I open my eyes slowly. I stay in bed for a moment. I stay in bed for a moment. Now we move on. Good job, my friend. Let's continue. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I walk to the bathroom. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face. I wash my face. Now we move on. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. Okay, let us continue. Now, I sit up. I feel a little sleepy. I sit up. I feel a little sleepy. Next, I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I start to feel awake. I start to feel awake. I get dressed. I get dressed. Very good. Let us keep going. I make a cup of coffee. I make a cup of coffee. I smell the coffee. I smell the coffee. I take a small sip. I take a small sip. Now we move on. I check my phone. I check my phone. Okay, let us continue. I see new messages. I see new messages. I think about my day. I think about my day. Now we move on. I feel calm. I feel ready. I leave the house. I leave the house. I start my day. Good job. All right. You did it. You stayed with the practice today. That really matters. You gave yourself time. You stayed calm. Many people stop early, but you did not. This moment is yours. You are stronger than you think. Believe me, you can do this. Yes, you. Now, you do not need more today. This is enough. Let the words rest. You can remember them later or forget them for now. It is okay. Wow, I am proud of you. Learning can be quiet. Quiet moments stay longer. Tomorrow, we talk about leaving the house, going out, moving through the day. Same calm voice, same easy English. For now, rest. You are a champion. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.